Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making seashell necklace and a wooden necklace. So guys, I will show you all the materials that I have here. So guys, here's my materials. This is the wooden beads that I'm going to make wooden necklace. This one is the seashell, and that I'm going to make a necklace also. This one is a nylon thread, a lock, this one. So, and a scissor, only that. Okay, I will start now guys, keep on watching. So guys, I already took one strand of this nylon thread. Okay, and I will show you how to put the lock like this one is the whole lock, then I'll have to twist it. This one has a pointed edge, this one here, can you see it? So I will be putting this nylon thread at the bottom hole like this. So now guys, it's already there, and I will make a knot like this. Already make a knot, so I will have to. So now it's already, the knot is already inside of this pointed one. Okay, so I have to cut this excess nylon thread, so it's already there, and it won't remove anymore. So I will now start my business. So guys, I will first do this shell necklace, seashell. So guys, this is now the pendant, like this one. Okay, so keep on watching. So guys, here it is, the combination. So I have to do this thing here, the same as this one. Okay, keep on watching guys. So guys, here it is. So I'm going to put this lock partner. So I'm going to use this needle to lock this one here. Okay guys, it's already done. See, going to cut this one. So here it is, guys. Look at my necklace. See? So guys, now I will be making the wooden necklace. So keep on watching and I will show you first my materials. Guys, here's my wooden beads. Because I'm a Catholic, I will gonna use this crucifix. To those who are watching that is not a Catholic, I respect your religion. I am sorry for that. So I will be using also this nylon thread, a scissor, and a lock again like the other one, and this needle. Okay guys, I will start now. I open the lock. See, it is here. I make a knot on it, this one here, and I push it up. So here it is. Now I'm gonna start. So guys, here it is. I'm done with this right side, and now I'm gonna make this left side. Okay, keep on watching guys. So guys, it's finished. So now I'm going to lock it. This one. This one is the bottom part of the lock. So guys, here it is. So it is guys, it's already finished. It fits for my neck also. So here it is guys, I'm going to lock it now. So guys, here it is. It's already finished. Now I will show you the lock. Where is it? Here's the lock guys. Here. Okay. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you like it, and see you again next time on my next video. Please support me. Please like, subscribe, and press the notification bell. And if you have something to say, just comment below. And I hope you guys watching my next video. You're gonna watch my next video. Thank you so much guys, and God bless to all of you. Bye.